Hi everyone, this is Afzal here. So let's watch out some of my live trades today. Today's trade is on Auro Pharma. So this is one of my trades today. So I have made a short sell based on 15-minute time frame. So approximately once it comes closer to this point, I'll make a short sell. So that is my point of view. I'm waiting for a little bit of pullback. So once it is happening, then I'll make a short sell on this. So this is the trade. So the reason for making the trade is that stock is making a lower low formation, and once I make this entry, my stop loss will be around 0.6% because it will be little bit bigger stop loss. The reason is the pharmaceutical like the whole pharmaceutical stocks have a highly volatile. So making a stop loss or something like zero point 0.4 doesn't make any sense because the volatility of this particular stock or the whole pharmaceutical industry is like a little bit more. So taking those into consideration, I'm keeping my stop loss as zero point 0.6. I'm shorting at this particular point and expecting a target until the day's low. So that comes to something 1 is to 1.3. That is my target. So anyway, let's see what happens on this particular trade. So I have trailed my stop loss to cost, like not cost to cost, little bit above that particular candle, and I'm exiting the particular trade at this point. It has given me a profit of 0.8%. So I'm booking more than half of my quantities right now because the time is about to finish. So it is close to the square of time. So I'll wait for few more drop. If the drop didn't happen, I'll just exit my position with whatever the profits I'm having. So this is a trade on ICICI Bank. This is my first trade. So I have initiated a sell position on this based on the Bank Nifty. Taking those things into consideration, I have made a short position. And seem like the Bank Nifty is gonna have a downtrend today because the index is at a level of resistance and it's been rejected from yesterday. So taking those things into consideration, I'm shorting it. So unfortunately, I have exited from this trade because the reason is the Bank Nifty started to make a reversal signal. So I'm just exited this with a 0.3 percentage of loss on ICICI Bank. So I look for another opportunity on long position, but not on ICICI Bank right now. So that will be it on ICICI Bank. Now I'm making a buy entry on Wipro. The reason for making a buy entry on Wipro is like on 50-minute time frame, it is having a bullish momentum. That is the first thing. And as you can see that the candle just before this candle, it is full size candle, and it is showing a clear uptrend. So I have already initiated my position around 520.5. That is my entry point, and this is not the target. I'll be changing it. So my target will be approximately the day's high. That is what I'm trying to make on this, and that will be like 1 is to 2.5 will be my target ratio for Wipro. So let's see what happens on this. So Wipro has given me the target something around 0.7% because as I said before, the day's high was my target. Still, it is having a momentum, but like like I used to get trapped on this day's high, and also I'm just booking it right now. I'm not making any kind of half quantity. Maybe it's gonna come and hit my stop loss on cost to cost. So just to be on the safer side, I'm just booking my like profit around 0.7 percentage on Wipro based on day's high. So that is my exit. This is another trade on Jubilant. So Jubilant, the reason for making this particular trade is it is having an ascending triangle. So this was on my watch list. I'm waiting for this breakout to happen, and it is getting tested like 4 to 5 times. It is getting tested. Okay, so I was keeping this in on like on my watch list. I kept a like alert once it has broken. So I'm just it has already given me a breakout. So what I'll be doing is I'll wait for a pullback to happen just to make my entry at the black line. Okay, like right now I'm just waiting for one more drop, like a small drop, then I'll make my entry. So approximately my entry and target would be something it will be like 1 is to 2.3. That will be my risk reward on this particular trade. And anyway, let's see what happens on this Jubilant. So Jubilant had given me a good momentum like zero point 0.7, but what was the thing is like I was expecting more profit on this. Okay, so once it has given me something more than 0.6%, I just what I did it like I just trail my stop loss just to become safe because I thought like still the momentum is the EMA lines are getting supported. So I just trail my stop loss to the cost, but what happened was it just triggered my stop loss. So yeah, So I didn't book anything on it. It is just a cost to cost trade for the day.